Good morning, class. Welcome to your English class. Today we will start our new lesson, that is lesson 13, Waste Technology. Okay, now let's kick start. For years, human beings have been trying to save the environment by reusing and recycling waste. Reusing, recycling means we reduce the use of some resources, and then we will save for the future generation, and we reuse it like after recycling. Now start the lesson. Recycling waste not only helps save money but also helps the environment. So, recycling waste means converting waste to reusable material, and waste you know what is not which is not in use. We lessen the pollution that is created by burning rubbish. Rubbish is things that we do not need anymore. Okay, do not want anymore waste material that are rubbish, and save valuable resources. What do you mean by resources? Resource is something that can be used for making profits or benefits. Okay, like air, water, food, plants, animals, minerals, metals, and everything else that exists in nature and has utility to mankind is a resource. Means valuable resource. It has a value. Okay, utility to mankind. That is resources. Many countries encourage recycling, and new technology allows more waste to be reused. Means many countries are doing this, and through new technology what we do, we reuse our waste material by recycling it. Most of the rubbish that can be reused are now some of the materials that rubbish which we don't use can be reused as paper, metals, glass, and even plastic. Some plastic which can be recycled. Half the world's waste consists of paper. Many countries import waste paper rather than new pulp for their paper mills. Okay, now waste paper which are not in use, like newspaper, all the waste papers, and these things we recycle and reuse it again. The waste is pulped, cleaned, and bleached to remove most of the ink and dirt before it is turned into a new paper. Now, how we are going to recycle it? First, we wash it, clean it, and remove the ink. Okay, and dirt before we make it in a new paper. In the same way as wood, pulp, or rags. And same way what we do with wood and pulp or rags. So this is pulp, okay, and this is rags. Rags are old torn clothes. Now through recycle process what we do, converting waste materials into new materials and objects. Now we convert waste material to reusable material. Now metals are recycled into new steel. Now metals are recycled into new steel and other metals. A new car today consists of parts of earlier cars. Okay, now how we make new car? For the things which are used in old cars, we use it, that have been scrapped and turned into steel and sheets. What we do, we melt it and make in a new shape or adjust in a new car. Aluminium is worth recycling because extracting it from bauxite consumes a huge amount of electricity. So we could not recycle it easily because it contains a huge consumes a huge amount of electricity. Now since most aluminium today is recycled, now most of the aluminiums are now it is most of the aluminium we can now recycle because of the new technology. The energy used to make aluminium had fallen by a quarter since the early 1970s. Means the energy, the electricity, how much we need earlier, now it is reduced. Now glass is also worth recycling. We recycle glass also. The most sensible method is to use glass bottles as often as possible. Use glass bottles like cold drinks, soft drinks bottles. Okay, we use it again. Broken glass known as cullet. You can see these are the cullets. Okay, broken glass are known as cullets. Can also be recycled. Now you will know how. Many Western countries have bottle banks into which used bottles can be thrown. Now they have made bottle banks. Okay, in this what we do, leftover bottles are thrown. Bottle banks depend on people's goodwill. Now bottle banks, how we make? If the people give approval or support us by giving soft drink bottles, okay, or sauce bottle, jams bottle, coffee bottle, same like that, all people contribute and throw it in bottle banks. Okay, now cullets of mixed colors can be used only to make green glass. Now they are only used to make cullets, means recycled or broken waste glass, okay, used in glass making. So they only make green glass. They are used only to make green glasses. Broken glass can be remelted in furnaces. Okay, now broken these glasses are melted in furnaces, and that it can easily be shaped into new bottles and other objects. Okay. Now, plastic is one of the most difficult substances to recycle because it comes into many varieties. Because of much variety, there hardly we can recycle plastic. Now, some plastic bottles, for example, consist of 6 layers of different types of plastic. Okay, means one layer into 6 layers. So there are 6 layers of different types of plastic, means hard also or soft also, each designed to give the bottle certain quality, shape, strength and flexibility. Now each layers have different qualities. As yet there is no easy way to change an old plastic bottle into a new one. So it is not much possible to recycle that old plastic bottles into the new one. Okay. Unfortunately, plastic scrap can only be turned into a lower quality product. Okay. Now these are only we can recycle them and make it only to we can convert into a lower quality product. That is, plastic might be cleaned only to be cut into very tiny pieces. We cut these plastics into tiny pieces and use to stuff seat cushions. Now what we can make after recycling or cutting into tiny pieces, we can make cushions and durable or seats. Durable fencing can be made when a mixture plastic waste is recycled into plastic timber. Okay, plastic timber. These are the plastic timbers like PVCs are. And furnace is, what is furnace? A large, very hot enclosed fire that is used for melting metal. Okay, it is used for melting metal or burning rubbish. And plastic timber is PVC. Okay, thank you class.